Next stage, we have pre-drilled all the holes in the bridge. We have taken off the slats. We are getting ready to carry these supports down to the location, to the creek bridge. Just in case we aren't the ones that piece together the slats, we decided to be a little silly. Is that right? In numbering them. So what do? Number one is number one. 2 dots. Triangle. Square. 5. Then we come up with some system of counting with the slash is 5 and the 1 is the 1, 6. What's that? 7 swans are swimming?
7 swans are swimming.
7 swans are swimming.
So that's supposed to be a swan.
That's a swan. And that's obviously an 8-ball. Baseball diamond. Our system of a slash equaling 5 is there's 10, but then there's 11, which is clearly not the same.
Clearly.
So whoever's going to have to put these together, we're not even going to tell them anything, and if they screw up, we're going to laugh at them. And then we're like, okay, we can't keep doing this because we're running out of time, so we just numbered the rest. These are the bottom sides, so no one will see these numbers once we mount them to the bridge. So this will be a little secret, and no one will know except for those who saw this be put together. Cool. Are you ready to start getting into beast mode?
Yeah.
Because those things, can you even pick it up?
I don't know. I'm not gonna.
You want to try? Just picking up. Try picking up one end.
Alright. Oh.
Shelly is super strong. Oh, let it drop. It sounds like. Oh.
Alright.
We're gonna be able to drag that down.
We'll be able to drag it.
We're gonna.
We might have to stop in between, take a little rest.
We are gonna do the rope thing, and
Yeah.
see. We're
I'm
gonna.
not quite sure how to do it.
So we're gonna put a rope around our shoulders, strap it around the front of the log, and then the other person's gonna put it around
This
them.
I have to learn. I don't know.
We're just gonna wrap it around the shoulders like a bag, and hopefully it doesn't require. Yeah, then we're gonna pull it through, and then that is gonna go around the log, and the next person at the end is gonna do the same thing, so we can drag it, carry it. We're not gonna really carry it. We're gonna try to just drag it and keep the front off the ground.
Should we mark the front?
We didn't.
We'll know. We'll know. That's the top.
Oh,
And that's the bottom.
we have a problem.
No, no problems. We can't have problems.
We laid this all out with the intent of that right support being on the right side and left being on the left side. But we may need to, no, I was thinking we may need to switch it. And the longer one, because the one on the left is about 9 inches longer. I think we're okay.
We'll be good.
All right. Enough of that. Here's the numbering system. Our slats off. Supports are ready to go. Rope is ready. Here we go. Time to carry.